Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we got another couple of Tootsie toys. These are the Tootsie toy gas tankers. These two actually have the name of Sinclair on them. I got these from Charlie over at Big Charlie Model Garage. And he asked if I'd redo them, and I said, of course. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. This is a short video because these Tootsie toys, there's really not much involved in them. Get it into our favorite stripper, Fifi La Citrette. Starting to run out of cars, guys. But we'll make some arrangements. The first one was really bad casting. I guess they didn't have enough metal in the mold. You can see the little air space there. It was so thin that I super glued it, and then I filled in the inside with a little JB weld to give it a little heft. Get our first coat of our Sinclair Creek. Oh yeah, that's a good one, dummy. Where'd you think it was going to fall? The original axles had these spacers on them, but I couldn't get them off, so I replaced the axles and put in these brass spacers. Just a piece of brass tubing super glued in. Here's what we started with. A 50s era Tootsie toy Sinclair gas tanker. Play worn, paint missing. Here's what we ended up with. Put in all the details, which was a trick in itself, with these eyes and shaky fingers. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Oh yes, and they both roll very well. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye.